In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to export your videos on CapCut. I mean, videos that you've already added pro features onto it. Like for example, if you might have added something like auto capture or any made use of any pro feature, either a text, a filter, or any effects. I'm going to be showing you how to export it without you subscribing to Pro. I'm going to be showing you how to export it directly in this video. It is now, we are not going to be doing the screen record that most people normally recommend. I'm going to be showing you a legit, this is 100% legit way of exporting the video. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial.
Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one.
Now you can see let me just show you something here. You can see I'm even using, this is the version I'm using currently. This is the version I'm actually using. And also I'm also working online. You can see I'm working online, so it won't say I'm not. So now I'm going to be, what I'm going to be doing now I'm going to quickly just show you something. There are some things you need to take note. Now let's come to settings. Under the settings, you can see we have our preset. Now this particular link, I'm going to ask you to please just save this link somewhere. You can just copy it and copy this link and save it somewhere. We are going to be making use of it later. So let me just, on my own, I'm going to save this link here. So we are going to make reference to this link later on in the video. So now what I'm going to now do, I'm going to now close this. Now let me open a project. So you can see it's open here. Now this is the file here. So you can see from this particular video, I already have auto caption added to it. So now I'm going to be showing you how to. Now let me try to break any parts here. Let me just break the part here and show you something. Let me come to transition. Let me come to transition and also import a pro transition to it. Now I'm going to bring this. You can see it's a pro. So you can see I've added that. Now on this other one, let me also add another pro transition. Let me say, okay, I'm adding this. Let me bring this in here. So now let me export. I'm going to do this. You can see from here I have my auto caption added already. I also have my pro transition added already. So now what I'm going to now do is let me show you how to get this particular work exported. You can see by the time I try to export, it's going to tell me to log in using a pro, because I have made use of pro filter in this particular video. So now let me just show you how to go about it. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just select all. So once I select all, what I'm going to now do is just to click here and do create compound click. So now once I create compound click, this is how it's going to look like. Now I'm going to click on this, right click. I mean the other one too was right click I did. Now on this one too, I'm going to do right click. Then this time around, I'm going to come here and click on pre-process. So once I click on pre-process, it's going to just wait for it. You can see it's taking effect here. So you are going to just wait for it to apply to complete. You can see it's showing applying. I see all the pre-processes applying. So just wait for it. I'm going to pause this video, and once it gets complete, I'm going to proceed and show you what to do. Now you can see the pre-process has finished doing the pre-process. Next, you're going to go, remember we copied a particular link here. I see you didn't copy. What you have to do is you just copy the link back, and now we are going to just go to any part of your file of your business. Now you are going to just paste the link you copied. Let me just do this. You can just now I'm going to paste the link I copied here. Once you paste the link here, we just click on enter. It's going to bring you to this particular page. So now once you're on this page, what you're going to do, just come to combination and see you're going to click on combination. Once you click on combination, it's going to bring you there. So once you are here, what you're going to now do is to click on the resources. Click on resources. As you click on resources, it's going to open up like this. So now on your own case, you might not be seeing it this way. Probably you might be seeing it as like this detail. If you're not seeing it, so if I just click on where to select, selecting detail. So now let's just let's say this is what how yours was showing. Now what you're going to now do this tool, you can see I'm only having 2 files. This file say, you can see there are files I worked on few minutes, about some minutes ago. You can see checking from the time I have here and the current time on my PC right now, you can see it's different. So now what I'm going, this was the work I did few minutes ago. So now what I'm going to now do is to just, I'm going to come over to my CapCut. What I'm going to do, if you notice, take note of what's happening here. I have 2 files here, isn't it? I have 2 files here. Now what I'm going to now do is to now select all. I'm going to select and just right click on it. Then I'm going to click on save presets. Once I click on save presets, it's going to save the preset for me. Now once I come back here, you're going to see I now have additional files here. It's no longer 2. I now have additional files here now. Now if you should check what's the new time, now you can see I have a new time. So now what I'm going to now do is to just come over here. I'm going to now, okay, let me just do this. I'm going to come here and increase this, so you can see now we have some other files that are not loaded. Now what you're going to do is just to trace the latest one. Now let me see, I want to see the latest one, so I'm going to have 2 files, because now the latest one is the one, let me increase this, is the one with OOP. I see this is it, and let me show you why I going for that particular file, because see, this other file is showing, this other one is showing, but now if I should, this OOP is the one that is not playing. If I should try to play this, it's not going to play on my media player. And see, it's not going to play on my media player. This is the particular file I need to use. So now I'm going to come to my media on my CapCut. I'm going to come to media, then I'm going to bring in that particular, see, this particular one that is not playing. That's the latest one I just did. I'm going to bring it in to this particular, to my media. So once I bring this in, what I'm going to now do is see, I'm going to just use this, and I'm going to use it and replace this. Now I cannot delete this one. Let me delete this, so I don't need that one again, since I replaced it. So now you can see, okay, I let me try to mute the, okay, let me just place silence switches from mine. So you can see that the pro feature is as technical, that the transition is have been added. It's working fine. And let me try to see how to export this video and see if it's going to tell me if it's going to tell me it to log in or not. So now by the time I now do exports, you can now see I can successfully export my video. So I can just include the name I want to use for the video. Let me say I want to leave it as, let me say shorts one. Let me say this is what I want to use it. I want to leave it as, then what you just do is to take any settings you want to apply your settings as you normally be. Then you just click on export. So once you click on export, you can see your video has successfully exported with all the pro feature. Now I'm going to allow it to finish. That's finished. So now let me close this. Now let me now go to where I normally have my videos that I have done. So let me just navigate there and play the video. I'm going to play the video so that you see. Now this is it. Let's see this shot one. This is it. So now I'm going to, so you can see it has successfully exported with all the transition added, with the auto caption added, and everything is working perfectly as expected. So this is just how you get your file exported with all the whole pro features.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.